Hey Wolfpack, Cameron here from Wolfstorm Offroad. We've got another install video for you today, taking our 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL and installing Wolfstorm Offroad's new rear bumper. This bumper is outfitted with a set of LED lights that we will be connecting to our tail lights using the provided light tap extender. We'll walk through the OEM removal and install the new one on your Jeep. First, removing the OEM bumper. We start behind the rear bumper. Locate the rear plastic covers. The covers are secured by 3 screws. Go ahead and remove those screws. Removing the covers will reveal the bumper's metal brackets. Locate 4 bolts securing the bumper to the bracket. There are 2 bolts in the front and 2 in the back. Down the line, we will be removing the entire bracket, but for now we'll just need to remove these 4. Take your time. You'll be working in some tight spaces. Once finished, repeat the same steps for the opposite side. At this point, the bumper is free and can be removed. Before installing the new bumper, be sure to remove the rear bumper brackets completely. Step 2. Installing your new Wolfstorm bumper. Now that you've removed the OEM bumper, you're now ready to install your new one. When installing the new bumper, we highly recommend some extra hands to help hold the bumper in place while you secure the bolts. Locate the 2 holes on the frame and match the holes to the bumper. Using the same bolts, hand tighten into place. Do the same for the opposite side. Next, secure the bumper in place with a 21mm socket wrench. Step 3. Connecting your bumper to the taillights. Locate the light harness that is connected to your new bumper. Under the bumper frame, there should be a space for the harness to run through. Run the harness up under and through the frame. Take the end of the harness and run it up to the taillight. Next, we're going to remove the taillight. Locate the taillight support screw in the rear interior of the Jeep, directly behind the taillight. Remove it with a 10mm socket wrench. Once the screw is removed, the light should easily pop out. Remove and expose the power connector and disconnect. Locate the supplied extension that enables the new bumper lights to be connected. Connect the extension, one end to the light and one to the car power. Next, run the bumper harness up through the taillight space. Connect the bumper harness to the power extender. Feed the wires in and put the taillight back into place. Don't forget to secure the taillight with the interior screw. And that's it. Go ahead and test the lights and make sure everything is secure and working. Congrats on your new Wolfstorm Offroad bumper. This bumper is tough enough to take on the harshest situations and provide that reliable support out on the trail. If you enjoyed this step-by-step video, be sure to like and subscribe if you would like to be notified of any future videos or products coming out of Wolfstorm Offroad. Let us know where your next adventure takes you. I'm Cameron, thanks for stopping by. Stay wild, Wolfpack. We'll see you next time.